Good talaga. You should try that too.
Yeah.
It's so good talaga. Like, legit. Like, you wanna go to Arms? How about you? What did you do?
Pumunta ako sa, like, here. like here in this hotel with you guys, right? And
Yeah.
like,
But when you got here, you're not here na din.
I'm
Where did you go?
there.
Where did you go?
The dimension?
Yeah, no, the girl said kasi you bought toyo daw in the kanto. Pag nag 150k matutulog kami. Tapos dapat pagising namin, ano na, 1M.
Decision.
Sarap kaya mo. Di seryoso, inaantok na ako.
Ako din eh, gusto ko.
Kaya mo yan,
talaga,
go.
wala makakapilit sa akin na gumawa niyan.
Hello po! Kayo po ba ang blue? Nice to meet you po!
Ayoko na.
Mika, baka umiiyak ka na, Mix. Legit.
Umiiyak na ako. Nakakatawa.
Nakakatawa. Diba? Nabangga ba?
Nabang-gabo.
No, send kayo ng stickers.
Oo nga, grabe yung effort ni Ate Maloy. 40 minutes to go.
Uy, Mika, tawa ka mo.
Tuto kasi ako.
Tawa ng tawa si Mika!
Gusto ko na magmura. Mahika.
Ooh.
Ooh-woo! Ooh-woo! Ooh-woo!
Ooh, girl.
Ang cute! Ang cute!
Thank you po!
Bebente na ako Kasi tanda ako sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan. Baka kalain nyo, bata pa ako. 20 na po ako ha.
Hihikain ako nito. Hindi ko mag- Basta mo? Sobrang puti ito.
Dila ka, dila.
Ayoko nga.
Ay, salita si Mix. Kami ni Mix. Ay, ano?
Nakakatakot siya na malay.
Miss mo ano.
Makabaliw talaga. Hi, Rufa May Maloy. Ayan, Rufa May. Pag nag 150k, mag-Rufa May daw siya.
Grabe, thank you ha.
Si Ate-
Live ko talaga to.
Si Ate Maloy yung pinalive.
Okay na art card.
Ha?
Ay, turuan na lang kita mag-roof kami at 150.
Ayun, ba?
Kaya mo yan.
It's
5
6 a.m. here, or 5 a.m. here in the States, and I'm watching you three crazy girls.
Ano? We are 3?
All I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
In other words,
I love you.
I love you too. Ano pang kanta? Ano pang mga favorite songs mo?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Grabe, pause ko na pala. Ate Malay, mas inaantok ka. Oo, inaantok ako kapag ginawa sa buhok o sa tenga.
Ako, nanisip ko mag-ganyan eh. Ng ibang tao.
Ako dito sa likod. Pinagalan ko. One time nga sa school, hindi ko kilala yung babae sa harap ko. New student siya. Tapos biglang ginanon-ganon ko yung buhok niya. Tapos nagulat siya. Tapos sabi ko, ay, you have a really nice hair, you know? What's your name? Gumano na lang ako. I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Sakit naman. Ano yung pinakamasakit na kanta for you?
Hindi ko alam. IDKU yet. Yun yung pinakamasakit. Ay, yung parang, how can you miss someone you've never met? And I need you now, but I don't know you.
Feeling ko may someday to. Someday. Someday, someone's gonna love me.
Oh.
Someday, I wanted you to need me. Oh, someday.
If the world was ending though. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and we'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All my fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
Saka yun, ano?
Heaven knows.
Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, only heaven knows. Saka ano? I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Okay, kaya ko to. It's a fine, it's a perfect.
Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin. At sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ikaw ay malayo? Puso'y aking nasasaktan kung may kasama kang iba.
Ouch, sabi niya ito.
Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo, ika'y aking naman.
I spent $60 on your 2 plastic magazines and I can't wait to get it in June. Oh, thank you, Ate Angie. I hope that you like our magazine.
Next song. Inisipon si Mix.
Yeah. Sing with a smile on it.
Lift your head,
Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. Get by with a smile.
Like yung comment na editing siya.
You can win everything, but you can try.